लास्ट पार्ट एक्ट 3 सीन 2 खत्म होने को आया रे सीन. Graciano बोलता है who comes here? Okay, which is going to be a standard question. Who enters the scene now? Lorenzo and his infidel. Circle infidel. Infidel is a not a very nice word, but it's for a non-believer in Christianity, so clearly it refers to Jessica here because she's a Jew. I hope 10th graders are alert and they know कि time बीत चुका है but reality change नहीं हुई है. Act 2 scene 6 में लोरेंजो और जेसिका भाग चुके हैं वहाँ से और वो लोग को this guy Salario मिल गया था. Salarino and Salario. Salarino is with Antonio in Venice. Salario has come here to Belmont. Okay, so he met these guys and he's gotten them here. वो कैसे क्यों ये अभी आगे पता चलेगा बट ये लोग अभी साथ में है. सो जेसिका इज शाइलॉक्स डॉटर एंड शी इज हियर. हु कम्स हियर? Lorenzo and his infidel over here is Jessica. Oh, so mark karo because I'll ask you in the exam. What's the term that Graciano uses for Jessica? Or who enters the scene now and who's referred to as infidel? So in either case, the answer is Jessica. What? And my old Venetian friend Salario, मेरे दोस्त. Enter Lorenzo, Jessica and Salario. Lorenzo, Salario, welcome hither. Bassanio बोल रहा है. Hither is here. Now, if that the youth of my new interest here have power to bid you welcome. So if that the youth of my new interest here have power to bid you welcome. ये लाइन को अंडरलाइन करो. अब लिखो. If that the पहले ट्रांसलेशन ही लिख लो सिंपल इंग्लिश में. लिख रहे हो ना? I genuinely want you to write it. If my newly acquired rights. If my newly acquired rights how? Rights as the Lord of Belmont. If my newly acquired rights as the Lord of Belmont is applicable already, then with your permission, Portia, I would like to welcome my friends home. Basically, Bassanio ये बोल रहा है कि मैं तो अभी 2 सेकंड पहले पोर्शिया ने बोला कि आई एम द लॉर्ड ऑफ दिस मैंशन. अगर ये बात सही है तो डू आई हैव द राइट टू टेल माई फ्रेंड्स वेलकम टू माई होम, वेलकम टू माई हाउस? वैसे सो कैन आई सिंग दैट, लाइक कैन आई से दैट दिस इज माई हाउस एंड मे आई वेलकम देम? पोर्शिया, आर यू ओके विद दैट? सो वो परमिशन मांग रहा है पोर्शिया की. सो इफ दैट द यूथ ऑफ माई न्यू इंटरेस्ट हियर मतलब माई न्यूली एक्वायर्ड पावर्स हैव पावर मतलब आर ऑलरेडी एप्लीकेबल फॉर व्हाट? To bid you welcome, to welcome you guys. Then by your leave, with your permission, Portia, I would love to welcome my friends and countrymen home. Portia भी बोलती है so do I my lord. Of course. सबके सामने पूछेगा तो ना थोड़ी बोलूगी. अंदर तेरे को बाद में मैं मारती हूँ. Okay? So do I my lord. They are entirely welcome. They are completely welcome. I thank your honor. Lorenzo बोल रहा है. I thank you guys. For my part though, my lord मतलब Bassanio, my purpose, my intention was not to have seen you here. मेरा कोई प्लान नहीं था यहाँ आने का. मैं और जेसिका तो एक ढाबे पे पराठे खा रहे थे, वहाँ पे इसकी भी ट्रक रुकी सलेरियो की और वो फोर्स करने लगा कि नहीं तुम लोग को मेरे साथ ही आना पड़ेगा, तो वो मेरे को यहाँ लेके आया. सो फॉर माई ओन पार्ट आई वॉज नॉट इंटेंडिंग टू सी यू हियर बट meeting with Salario by the way. ये by the way को ऑनलाइन करो, लिखो on the way. When I met Salario on the way, he as in Salario did entreat me. Entreat मतलब force me. He forced me past all saying nay. Past all saying nay मतलब in spite of me refusing. Past all saying nay. Nay मतलब no. Past all मतलब in spite of me refusing, he entreated me, he forced me to come along with him. To come with him along. I did my lord. Salario हाँ बोल रहा है हाँ मैं मानता हूँ कि मैंने इसको फोर्स करके लेके आया and I have reason for it. Reason को circle. What reason does Salario have? Signor Antonio commends him to you. Commends him to you मतलब sends his greetings. तो रीजन क्या है वो अभी पता चलेगा कि मुझे तुम सबको इकट्ठा करके एक न्यूज़ देनी है. सो अभी मैं वो न्यूज़ दूंगा. बिफोर दैट एंटोनियो पाजी ने हाई बोला है तेरे को. सो सीनियर एंटोनियो, सर एंटोनियो commends him मतलब sends his greetings to you. Gives Bassanio a letter. Bassanio, ere I open this letter, before I open this letter, I request you, I pray you, tell me how my good friend Dot, unlike good friend, Yantonio. Good friend here is Yantonio. Dot मतलब is doing. How is my dost doing? He's not sick, my lord, unless it's in his mind. He's not well, unless it's in his mind. In short, he's not well. So physically sick नहीं है, उसको कोई disease नहीं है, but mentally भाई साहब बहुत stressed है. Okay? So he's not sick unless it's in his mind, and nor is he completely well unless it's in his mind. So mentally, अपना dude is super stressed. His letter here will show you his estate. Estate is a pun. Mark it. Draw 2 arrows. Estate का first arrow is the letter here will show you his condition. And estate का second meaning will his financial condition. Bassanio is reading the letter. Okay, so stage pe you have to understand that all these actors are on stage. Okay, so they have to constantly pretend in front of the audience के कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा है. Okay, so जहाँ in the meanwhile now Bassanio silently letter पढ़ रहा है, Graciano इन लोग से बात करता है. Nerissa मतलब बाइको, cheer yon stranger, circle the word stranger, Jessica. So Nerissa को रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि भाई जा और जेसिका को वेलकम कर, मेक हर फील एट होम, बिड हर वेलकम. योर हैंड सेलेरियो मतलब हाथ दे मेरे दोस्त, गिव मी योर हैंड सेलेरियो. व्हाट्स न्यूज फ्रॉम वेनिस, क्या हालचाल. हाउ डॉट दैट रॉयल मर्चेंट गुड एंटोनियो, कैसा है अपना एंटोनियो. आई नो ही बी ग्लैड ऑफ आवर सक्सेस. What success? That Bassanio managed to win Portia. We are the Jasons that have won the fleece. Unlike Jasons, unlike fleece, right on reference to the allusion in Act 1, Scene 1. I just posted the scene for the 9th graders. I also sent it to you guys. I hope you guys know the reference I'm talking about. Jason and the Argonauts, Golden Fleece here is Portia. So, Salerio says, I would, matlab I wish. For newcomers who are listening to me for the first time, जहाँ भी Merchant of Venice में would आता है, it's wish only. Okay? So I wish you had won the fleece that he has lost. तो Salerio वो fleece यहाँ पे changes into 3000 ducats. बोलता है I wish तुम लोग ने वो fleece जीता होता जो एंटोनियो हार चुका है. So fleece over here in this dialogue refers to 3000 ducats. पोर्शिया तब तक बसानियो का चेहरा ऑब्जर्व कर रही है. बसानियो लेटर रीड करते करते गिर जाता नीचे, लाइक एकदम शेक हो रहा है, एकदम ट्रेम्बल हो रहा है, एकदम शिवर होने लगता है. ओके, ही शॉक्ड. So Portia बोलती है, there are definitely some shrewd contents in yon same paper. There are definitely some bad words. Shrewd मतलब bad, horrible. Content मतलब माल. There's some bad malpani in that मतलब that same paper मतलब letter. That steals color मतलब he's become pale. You know, when you're scared, your skin becomes pale. So that steals color from Bassanio's cheek मतलब face. Is it some dear friend dead? Is it the news of some friend dying? Else nothing in the world could turn so much the constitution मतलब complexion of such a strong man, of such a constant man. Unlike constant man, Bassanio. So Bassanio जैसे आदमी को हिलाना easy नहीं है, but वो एकदम shake हो चुका है, एकदम disturbed हो चुका है. So definitely is the news of some friend dead. Oh my God, worse and worse. So Bassanio एकदम ही tension में आ चुका है. With your permission, Bassanio, I'm half yourself. अब मैं तेरी धर्म पत्नी हूँ. I'm half yourself. I must freely have half of anything that this paper brings you. तो मुझे भी ये लेटर पढ़ना है. I have a right to know कि ये पेपर में क्या है. Oh sweet Portia, here are a few unpleasantest words. Here are some of the worst words that have ever blotted मतलब that have ever been written on paper. Oh gentle lady, when I first did impart my love to you, when I first imparted मतलब declared my love to you, I freely मतलब truthfully, honestly, I honestly told you that all the wealth I had ran in my veins. I was a gentleman, and then I told you was true. Yet, dear lady, rating myself at nothing, you shall see how much I was a boastful person, braggart. When I told you my state was nothing, I should have told you then that I was worse than nothing. पॉज करते समझने की कोशिश करते. जितने भी लोगों ने बसानियो को एक्ट 1 सीन 1 में गाली दिया एक्साइट होके, फेमिनिस्ट सारे जो बोले थे कि ओ ये देख के लड़की के पीछे इसलिए जा रहा है बिकॉज पैसा है लड़की के पास, यू नो इज मनी माइंडेड पर्सन, वो पोर्शिया को लव नहीं करता है, सिर्फ पैसों के लिए जा रहा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. ही वॉज ऑलवेज इन लव विथ पोर्शिया. Of course, when he's presenting the plan to Antonio, he can't talk about love. Antonio is a merchant जिससे वो पैसा ले रहा है. So, you know, तू अगर एक बिजनेस के लिए किसी इन्वेस्टर के पास जाता है तो बिजनेस के लिए तुझे प्यार कितना है वो इन्वेस्टर को कोई उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. What the investor needs to know is अगर मैं पैसा डालता हूं तेरे अंदर, मेरा पैसा वापस कब आएगा. So he has to talk money in front of Antonio. But here, this dialogue is evidence that he never intended to cheat Portia. Because he says here that when I first met you, I honestly told you, I truly told you, I freely told you that all the wealth that I have ran in my veins. मैंने तभी तेरे को बोल दिया था कि मैं एक नोबल फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ, but that's it. You know, मेरे पास पैसा वैसा नहीं है. जितना भी मेरा पैसा है, हाँ मैं एक रिच खानदान से आता हूँ, but मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. So that dialogue shows you that he's not lied to Portia. He's told her the truth. But he still says that I was still lying to you. Why? अब ये झूठ नहीं है, वो मतलब ऐसे एक इफेक्ट के लिए डायलॉग बोल रहा है. व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू दैट माय स्टेट वाज नथिंग, जब मैंने तुझे तब बोला था यार मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, वो भी एक झूठ था. मुझे तुझे तभी बोलना चाहिए आई एम वर्स देन नथिंग, यू नो, बिकॉज जब मैं बोलता हूं कि आई एम नथिंग, दैट इज स्टिल मी ब्रैगिंग. मैं फिर भी बोस्ट कर रहा हूं. यू नो व्हेन यू ब्रैग, राइट, लाइक इफ यू हैव Maruti, but you're saying I have a Porsche, I have a BMW. That's you bragging. वो बोल रहा है कि मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं था, मैंने तो बोला मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है. बट ये भी मैं ब्रैग कर रहा हूं, मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है इज अ ब्रैगिंग, बिकॉज आई एम वर्स देन नथिंग. मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं, मेरे पास एक साइकिल का पंप भी नहीं है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से. सो ही सेज व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन आई रेटेड माई सेल्फ एट नथिंग, I was still a braggart, I was still boastful because I should have told you I was worse than nothing. And that's why I got my friend into trouble. Because I was worse than nothing, I had to take udhar, I had to take curse, I had to be indebted to this villain, Shylock, okay? Through Antonio. So that's the dialogue. I'm repeating it. Alright, let's read it again. Here are some of the worst words that have been written on paper, blotted paper. Portia, when I first impart matlab declared my love to you, I honestly told you all the wealth I had was in my veins. Matlab, I come from a rich family. I was a gentleman. I come from a noble family. I'm a nobleman. And that's true. Okay? That's not a lie. So I was a gentleman and that I told you was true. Matlab, that was a fact. Yet, dear lady, when I rated myself at nothing, when I told you I had no money, you shall see I was a braggart. I was a boastful person. मैं बड़ा चढ़ा के बड़ा ही मार रहा था. When I told you my state was nothing, state matlab paisa, financial condition, I should have told you my state was worse than nothing. For indeed, I have engaged matlab I have put myself, I have bound myself to a dear friend. And engaged my dear friend, matlab legally bound. ये engaged दो बार आता. First वाला engaged is I am bound, I am grateful to my dear friend. Dear friend is Antonio. लिख लो, ऐसे assume मत करो कि तुमको याद रहेगा. Engaged जो पहला वाला है, that is I am bound, and bound मतलब grateful, दोनों words लिखो. Dear friend यहाँ पे Antonio है. And engaged, ये वाला जो engaged है, that's legally bound. I legally bound my dear friend, मतलब Antonio, to her mere enemy. Mere enemy over here is Shylock. Okay? So mere is that absolute enemy. To feed my means, to satisfy my resources. Here's a letter, lady. ये रहा वो letter, पढ़ ले तू. The letter as the body, simile. Okay? So ये भी question आ सकता है. What does he compare the paper to? So the paper is the body of my friend. So he uses a simile to compare the paper, the letter, to Antonio's body. The words in it are a gaping wound, metaphor. Metaphorically, each word in the letter is compared to an open wound. Gaping is open wound. Issuing lifeblood, giving out lifeblood. So the ink of the letter has been compared to blood. But is it true, Salerio? बट क्या ये सच है Salerio? ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार, ये हमको भी बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है. ये जितने बच्चे ये प्ले पढ़ते हैं ना, उनको भी बिलीव नहीं होता है कि ये क्या बकवास है. Have all his ventures failed? ऐसा कैसा कि उसके सारे वेंचर्स फेल हो गए. Not one hit, not a single ship has returned from Tripoli, from Mexico, from England, from Lisbon, Barbary, India. Show off कर रहा है. ये सारी चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है by the way, because we need to know इतने सारे ships थे एंटोनियो के पास. So Tripoli, Mexico, सारे डायरेक्शंस में एक एक शिप गई थी. एक भी शिप, not one vessel मतलब शिप. Escape is escaped. Not one ship escaped the dreadful touch of merchant marring, merchant killing, merchant destroying rocks. ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है कि इतने सारे ships में से सारे ships destroy हो गए. So Salerio बोलता है not one my lord. Very popular RTC. ये ना हर ऑलमोस्ट एक पूरे साल में ना ये कम से कम 4-5 प्रीलिम पेपर्स में ये आ चुका था. Not one my lord. ये वाला RTC. And then पूछते हैं what does not one refer to? So not one refers to not a single ship of Antonio has escaped. So not a single ship of Antonio's has escaped. Besides is anyway. Anyway, it should appear that if he had the present sum, अगर उसके पास पैसा आ भी गया ना, तो to discharge the Jew, to pay the Jew, he would not take it. Circle he मतलब Shylock. अगर एंटोनियो के पास पैसा भी आ भी गया, अगर उसके शिप्स वापस आ भी गए, अगर उसके शिप्स डिस्ट्रॉयड नहीं है, बस वो लोग टाइम पास के लिए कहीं रुके थे पेट्रोल भराने के लिए इसलिए लेट हो गए, तो फिर भी अभी अगर उसको पैसा मिल गया तो शाइलॉक वोंट टेक इट. नेवर डिड आई नो अ क्रीचर को ऑनलाइन करो. व्हाट डज Salerio कॉल शाइलॉक? सो ही कॉल शाइलॉक अ क्रीचर दैट डिड बेयर द शेप ऑफ मैन. मतलब ही इज नॉट ह्यूमन, ही इज एन इनह्यूमन थिंग. आई हैव नेवर सीन अ क्रीचर बेयरिंग मतलब टेकिंग अ शेप ऑफ मैन, डिस्गाइज ऑफ अ मैन. So keen and greedy, so eager. Keen and greedy मतलब eager. To confound a man. Confound मतलब to kill a man. So I've never seen a creature in the shape of man who is so eager to kill another man. So ये जो confound a man वाला जो man है, that is Antonio. Confound is kill. He again is Shylock. Please लिख लो यार तुम लोग. He को online करो, लिखो Shylock. He मतलब Shylock plies is appeals, disturbs, appeals to the Duke morning and night. And doth matlab does, challenge, impeaches challenge द फ्रीडम ऑफ द स्टेट, मतलब वो धमकियां देते रहता है कि अगर मेरे को जस्टिस नहीं मिला तो मैं तुम्हारे स्टेट को बर्बाद कर दूंगा. कैसे कर सकता है पता है ना? यू सीन दैट सीन, एक्ट 3 सीन 3 में आएगा ये, यू नो. घुमाओ एक सेकंड पेजेस देख लो. एक्ट 3 सीन 303 पेज नंबर. फॉर द कमोडिटीज दैट स्ट्रेंजर्स हैव विद अस हियर इन वेनिस, ये वाला रेफरेंस है वो, वहां लिख भी लो. इनफैक्ट यू नो, ही डॉट इम्पीच द फ्रीडम ऑफ द स्टेट को ऑनलाइन करो, लिखो रेफरेंस टू पेज 103. Being a Jew and being someone who brings a lot of contribution to the economy of Venice, Shylock's tribe has a lot of power in Venice. Even though they are insulted and dominated by Christians, they don't get rid of the Jews purely because Jews contribute to the economy. So he says, you know, this guy does challenge the freedom of the state if they deny him justice. इधर ना एक बड़ा लाइन ड्रॉ करो, बिकॉज किड्स ऑफन गेट कंफ्यूज. जस्टिस पे एक सेंटेंस खत्म हुआ, अब एक नया सेंटेंस है ये, ठीक है? This is a new sentence. 20 merchants, the Duke himself, and the Magnificos. Magnificos मतलब noblemen. And the noblemen of the greatest port, मतलब of the greatest islands. So noblemen from nearby islands, सारे important VIPs, have all persuaded with him. They've all gone and tried to knock sense in Shylock's mind. Him को underline करो, Shylock. But none, no one can drive him, can change his mind. From the envious plea, from the jealous demand. Plea is demand. What demand is this? So plea को underline करो, लिखो question mark. What does envious plea refer to here? So what does it mean? का simple meaning है, it means his jealous demand. But what does it refer to? The next line is your answer. Of forfeiture, keyword number 1. Of justice, keyword number 2. And bond, keyword number 3. So forfeiture is the penalty. So no matter how much people are trying to persuade him, no matter how many important people, old seniors, have tried to go and plead with him, reason with him, appeal to him, वो किसी की नहीं सुन रहा है. All he wants is his pound of flesh, justice, and his bond to be fulfilled. Now Jessica's dialogue super important. लिख दो बाजू में important. Because मैं पूछूंगा what does another character on stage reveal at this point of time? So मैं directly नहीं बोलूंगा Jessica. मैं पूछूंगा what does another character at this point reveal? या फिर मैं डायरेक्टली पूछूंगा that what important information does Jessica now give? So this is the info. Jessica says, when I was with him, I've heard him swear to Tubal and to Chus. Chus. Shylock के सारे दोस्तों का नाम बहुत weird था. But unfortunately they could not choose their names. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you see what I just said? He didn't choose his name. Never mind, sorry. It was funny in my head when I said it. Anyway, Tubal and his friend Chus, his countrymen मतलब fellow Jews. So I heard him swear to Tubal and to Chus, his countrymen, that he would rather have Antonio's flesh. Important, underline. मतलब मैंने एक बार उसको बातें करते हुए सुन लिया था, उसने अपने दोस्तों को बोला कि उसको अगर पैसा मिल भी गया ना, पैसा doesn't matter to Shylock. पैसा तो सिर्फ एक hoax था. It was just a part of a plan. It was a decoy. What he wants is Antonio's Jan. He would rather have Antonio's flesh than 20 times the value of the sum that he did owe him. He did owe him. He, लिखो Antonio. Him, Shylock. 20 times the money that Antonio owes Shylock. Answer खत्म नहीं हुआ, मैंने बोला था what information does she give? So ये second part of the information. I know, my lord, that if law, authority and power, that's the second part. If law, keyword, authority, keyword, power, keyword, 1, 2 and 3. Deny not मतलब do not refuse him. Do not stop Shylock. Then it will go hard with poor Antonio. मतलब अब एंटोनियो बचाने का एक ही तरीका है कि लीगली कोई शाइलॉक को स्टॉप करे, अदरवाइज गया वो. एंटोनियो तो गयो बापू. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट ही सेज. पोर्शिया थोड़ी स्लो है. ओके, वो बोलती है, ओहो क्या हम अभी भी तेरे डियर दोस्त की बात कर रहे हैं? मतलब पूरा बुक खत्म होने के बाद वो पूछती है, भाई एंटोनियो यही बंदा है? ओके, सो इज इट योर डियर फ्रेंड दैट इज इन ट्रबल? Oh yes, the dearest friend. Again an important dialogue. How does Bassanio praise Antonio? So keywords, dearest friend, keyword number 1. Kindest man, keyword number 2. Best conditioned, keyword number 3. Best conditioned मतलब best natured person. Unvaried spirit in doing courtesies. That entire point is 1 point. Point number 4. Unvaried spirit in doing courtesies मतलब untired soul. Unvaried मतलब untired, मतलब never gets tired. Spirit मतलब soul. Never gets tired of doing what? Doing courtesies. Courtesies मतलब helping people. So he never gets tired of helping people. Point number 5. One in whom the ancient Roman honor. Underline. That's the 5th point. Also a separate question can come. What does ancient Roman honor refer to? Simply means friendship. True friendship. So ancient Roman honor मतलब true friendship. One in whom true friendship appears more than any man that draws breath in Italy. any that draws breath मतलब any other man in Italy. Draws breath मतलब any breathing man in Italy. मतलब breathe, any man, sorry, not breathe, any man in Italy. So दोस्ती जितनी एंटोनियो को जितनी दोस्ती की कदर है उतनी किसी इंसान को दोस्ती की कदर नहीं है. ही इज द एपिटमी ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप इन इटली. ओके, पोर्शिया बोलती है व्हाट सम डज ही ओ द जू. फॉर मी 3000 ducats. So clarify करता है कि he's never borrowed anything from Shylock, but for my sake it's 3000 ducats. That's it, no more. पोर्शिया बोलती है बस 3000 ducats, तो रो क्यों रहा है बे, पे हिम 6000 ducats. मैं बोलती हूँ 3000 क्या, 6000 मुंह पे मार के उसके, डिफेस द बॉन्ड, डिस्ट्रॉय द बॉन्ड, डबल 6000. 6000 क्या, मैं तो बोलती हूँ डबल 6000 एंड ट्रेबल दैट, उसका भी बढ़ा के दे उसको. Before a friend of this description shall lose a hair through Bassanio's fault, before someone like Antonio loses a hair, matlab gets hurt because of Bassanio. Now I know at this point you are wondering, but sir अभी जेसिका ने बोला उसको कि you know कितना भी पैसा देंगे शाइलॉक को तो लेने नहीं वाला है. Then why are they doing this? Didn't they listen to Jessica? They did. They all heard Jessica out. They all know that Shylock is not going to take the money. But you know, you can't just sit there saying कि चलो मतलब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, चलो यार let's get back to our feast, खाना खाते डकार मारते हैं. No ना, they have to do something. So the least they can do is she's like बहुत सारा पैसा लेके जा. Maybe he'll agree. Try तो कर. But don't sit here. You know, you have to go and try and save your friend. First, go with me to church and call me wife. Now she's not careless हो यार कि वहाँ पे एक बंदा बेचारा मर रहा है, पर मेरे को तो शादी करनी है, आज मेरा शादी का डेट है, मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स को मैंने बुलाया है. Alright, so that's not this. She's not excited about marriage. It's just that in Elizabethan times, a person, a husband, is entitled to all the wealth of the wife officially only if they are married. So she says, first, quickly, let's go to church and call me wife, as in get married to me, and then away to Venice, to your friend. For never shall you lie by Portia's side. Well, never will you be by my side with an unquiet, unline unquiet, guilty soul. Well, I know you'll never be by my side. You'll never be able to forgive yourself. You'll never be at peace if something happens to Antonio. You shall have gold to pay the petty debt 20 times over. मतलब अपने पास इतना पैसा है कि आप लोग 20 times the sum of the fine भर सकते हैं. And when it's paid, when that debt is paid, bring your true friend. Important, yeah? Because what does she ask Bassanio to do? So this is what she asks him to do. She asks him to bring the friend along to Belmont. My friend Nerissa and I, in the meantime, will live as maids and widows. Matlab, even though we are married, we'll still live as if we are not married to anyone, as if, you know, we are unmarried women, or that we are women who've lost our husbands. So we'll live as maids and widows. Come away, Matlab, come, let's go. Away is let's go. For you shall hence upon your wedding day, because this is your wedding day today. Today is the day we are getting married. Oh, bid your friends also welcome. चलो उनको भी ले लो जल्दी से साथ में. And show merry cheer. थोड़ा तो खुश होने की acting कर. Since you are dear bought, since I have earned you after a long time, since I have won you after a long time, since I managed to marry you after so many efforts, I will love you, dear. I'll love you a lot. But let me hear the letter of your friend. But because किसी assistant director ने बैठ के एक letter लिखा है, हम लोग उसको credit देंगे. चलो टाइम पास करते हैं, लेटर पढ़ते हैं. ओके, नाउ क्लियरली ये लोग टाइम पास के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, बट एग्जाम्स में आ सकता है. व्हाट आर द कंटेंट्स ऑफ एंटोनियोज लेटर? सो मार्क करो, इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो बसानियो लेटर पढ़ रहा है, बट लिखा किसने है? एंटोनियो ने. सो आंसर लिखते वक्त भी ये लिखोगे, द लेटर इज रिटन बाय एंटोनियो बट रेड आउट बाय बसानियो. स्वीट बसानियो, डियर बस्सी, माई शिप्स हैव ऑल मिसकैरिड. मेरे सारे शिप्स उड़ चुके. बुफ. माई क्रेडिटर्स ग्रो क्रूअल. All the merchants who I have done jhol with, who I have done malpani exchange with, are growing cruel. Okay, besides Shylock also there are people. Antonio is a merchant, so obviously borrowing and lending goes on, all right, without interest. Obviously he does it, but he's a merchant, so import export. So all my creditors are growing cruel. They are losing patience. My estate is very low. My finances are very low. My bond to the Jew over here, Shylock, is forfeit. Forfeit matlab lost. And since in paying it, since I have to now pay for this fine, it's impossible that I should live. मतलब अगर मैं ये pound of flesh देता हूँ तो सवाल ही नहीं है कि मैं जिंदा बचूंगा. तो जान ले कि all debts between you and me are cleared. If I might but see you at my death. Now, if I might, that's the only wish she has. So if I ask you the contents of the letter, and if I don't ask you the contents, then I might ask you this question: that what is the one wish that Antonio has? So this is his wish. He says, if I might, मतलब I wish to see you at my death. In spite of that, unlike notwithstanding, the word notwithstanding, in spite of that, in spite of me wishing to see you there, do not come if your love doesn't permit you. Your love को underline करो यहाँ पे. Your love के दो meanings हैं. It's your love as in Bassanio's love for Antonio, मतलब डोंट कम बिकॉज मैं तेरे को फोर्स कर रहा हूं. अगर तेरे को मेरे लिए कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है या प्यार नहीं है तो मत आ, मेरे कहने पे मत आ, फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए मत आ. एंड योर लव ओवर हियर रेफर्स टू पोर्शिया आल्सो. इट्स अ पन. So if Portia is not happy, if your new wife doesn't want you to come, then don't come. So notwithstanding, but in spite of this wish of mine, use your pleasure, use your judgment. If your love does not persuade you to come, then let not my letter. Oh my God, no love. Oh Bassanio, dispatch all business and be gone. Hi, कैसा letter है ये? मैं रोना हो रहा है मेरे को. I am so touched. I am so touched. Okay, ऐसा पोर्शिया बोलती है. Oh love, dispatch all your business and be gone. लव यहाँ पे बसानियो है. मेरी जान जा यहाँ से, जल्दी भाग. Since I have your good leave to go away, since I have your permission to go, I will make haste. I will run. Till I come again, no bed shall be guilty of my stay. No bed shall be guilty of my stay. का मतलब है I will not sleep until I'm here. Okay, so I will never touch the bed. I'll never sleep. I'll never rest till I'm back. Nor shall rest be interposer twixt us. Nor shall rest मतलब I will not rest. I will not relax. I will not pause till I'm back again. So twixt us मतलब between you and me, twain. वो it's just one phrase. Twixt us twain मतलब I will not rest until I see you again. Exeunt वो लोग वहां से जाते हैं. ओके, सो शादी हुई कि नहीं हुई? हुई है. वो लोग यहाँ स्टेज से जाते हैं बट क्लियरली पहले जाके जल्दी से शादी करके बाद में वो भाग जाता है. मतलब खाना पैक करके जाता है शादी का वे पे खाने के लिए. हो गया. ऐसे ही मैं बकवास किए जा रहा हूँ. ओके, सीन 2 खत्म अपना. और सीन 5 I'll post soon. And nothing else, we are done. All right, I hope you guys are understanding how this works. कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा तो मैसेज करो मेरे को, कॉल मत करना. ओके, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. अगर कॉल करने बोला मैंने तो कॉल करना, वरना जूम होगा तो जूम पे तुम लोग पूछ सकते हो. बट टेस्ट अगर होने वाला है कोई तो टेस्ट से पहले अगर पूछना चाहो तो डाउट्स तुम पूछ सकते हो. ऑलराइट, ऑलराइट, लव यू, बाय. ओवर एंड आउट. I'm still struggling to find a stop button. Give me 1 second. Still struggling. Got it.